Today's project is all about LED. Welcome to We Can Make. I found a very interesting project that's required a very few components which allow you to make this type of sign. It's a connected clock over the Wi-Fi showing some other information such as your Twitters, and I'm on Twitters, I will leave a comment down below, but your Twitter's followers or YouTube subscribers. This is actually run by a German one-man developers, and I will leave a comment on the description down below as well for the project. He ran the project on his own. He had a Facebook page and the project is called Awtrix. Let's start with the project right now. I'm very excited. So 3D printed part, soldering, and then I'll show you on the PC on how to upload the code. So we are actually back at the soldering station. This is the final step. I will just have to solder those three cables actually. This is how I mount it. There is plenty of space into the enclosure. By the way, this has been printed with Filamentum PLA. Amazing Vertigo Galaxy. Amazing colors and results. So I just have to actually solder the three cables over there. Alright, the soldering is now done, and print the enclosure yourself. Please print this in black, not gray as I did. As a diffuser, I'm actually using a piece of A3 papers. Alright, so we are now back on the computer itself. I will quickly explain to you how to upload the code to the board itself. Using Atom, that's actually text editors with IDE function. You will have to actually modify your config.json, input your details over there. On your settings, you can actually disable some of the application. I will show you mine. You can actually pause the video, take a look on this. This is my advice settings for you to play with. Once this is done, there is actually two things that you have to do. Open the terminal, and this is actually a little bit confusing at the first time, but what you have to do is you have to actually click on upload. That will actually upload on the flash memory your settings. This is required. There is no way you can escape from this. It has to be your board has to be connected via the USB for this option. Alright, once your upload on the flash memory is done, the last step would be for you to actually click on upload. That will compile everything, the firmware.binary actually, and upload this on your NodeMCU board. One last tip on my side. I had this before. If you had an issue with build, Atom is missing build actually. If you don't have this little icon on the left side in green, well, all you have to do is go to your settings over there, go to installed, search for the package, call it build, install it. Once this is done, close the application, start the application again, and that will actually automatically reinstall the build dependency. We can see that Atom dependencies are currently missing, and Atom is currently reinstalling it for you. And there you go, the project is now finished. As I mentioned, using Blink, you can control the clock itself, so I can bump up the brightness or change the application. Right now is actually on the weather. Change to the Twitter's application, or if I scroll down one more, on the YouTube application. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure I get back to you. That's it for now. I'll see you next week.